Hello friends, welcome to Biograph Science. Today we will discuss environment and ecology and animal science or a species of June 2025. Bonnet macaque is a species macaque endemic to South India. And this macaque unique feature is diurnal, in the sense they are active during daytime, arboreal, active in trees, on trees, and terrestrial, they are also active on grounds. Another important unique behavior of bonnet macaque is that lip smacking, where the individual open and close its mouth in a rapid succession way, that with its tongue placing in between its teeth and its lips and pressing against each other, giving an audible sound. Here, coconut black-headed caterpillar is a species of moth which is actually found in East Asia countries including Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, as well as Indonesia. So it is actually considered as a pest of coconut palm trees, which considered lot of damage to these trees. Grimaldicus bonaplandi, it is comes under phylum Mollusca. It is a squid actually. So squid was observed alive first in 2005. So it is very important that when it is first observed, and it is lives in mesopelagic and bathypelagic zone at depth of 200 to 1500 meters below sea level. Geckos, actually they are carnivorous lizards, widely distribution on every continent except Antarctica, and they have unique among lizards for their vocalization, and that vocalization is making hissing noises when in a condition of alarm or threat situation. And these geckos are mostly nocturnal, active in night time. Here, lac insect is very important commercially, and it is found in tropical, subtropical regions on banyan and other plants. Now, very interesting thing is that this lac insect produces lactic acid, and that is used to make lac pigment, and this pigment is a commodity which is used in further food coloring, textile, dyes, handicrafts, and folk arts. Indian rat snake is a common non-venomous species snake found in South and Southeast Asia, and these rat snakes are actually diurnal, semi-arboreal, and non-venomous. So it is diurnal and non-venomous. Crocodile conservation. Odisha is the only state to host the wild population of three native species, that is gharial, saltwater crocodile, and mugger. Now next point is that India marks 50 years of its crocodile conservation program in 2025, and the government of India launched this crocodile conservation project in April 1st, 1975. So these are very important points regarding crocodile conservation. Mouse deer, these small and even-toed ungulates, and these several species are very well known for only from fossils, right? Extant species are found in forests in South and Southeast Asia. The very important is that it is protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Dhole, it is a canid native to Southeast and Southeast Asia, listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List. Stratospheric aerosol injection. It is a kind of a method in which aerosols are injected into the Earth's stratosphere. Remember, region of stratosphere, to just reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the surface. So it is to protect the sunlight to the reaching the surface. What is macrofaunal? Actually, in soil, animals that are 1 centimeter or more long but smaller than an earthworm, that comes under macrofauna. Examples like potworms, myriapods, centipedes, millipedes, slugs, snails, fly larvae, beetles, beetle larvae. Spiders are typically members of macrofauna. So these are the small organisms which are under the category of microfauna, and its criteria to classify microfauna is defined here. And what is the role is that these animals burrow in the soil, which aids soil drainage and aeration. Parasistoid wasps are a large group of Hymenopteron, and these parasistoids lay their eggs on the bodies of other arthropods, which later causes the death of these hosts. So this is the nature of this parasistoid wasp. Recently, a new parasistoid wasp, Losgna occidentalis, found from Chandigarh. This is a new report regarding indirect carbon emissions because of use of artificial intelligence, where indirect carbon emissions because of their operations lead to raise of from 150% to from 2020 to 2023 of indirect carbon emissions, and these companies are Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet and Meta. Here regarding nocturnal animals, and these animals such as cats are adapted to dim light. Because what is the reason that they are well adapted in dim light? Because the retina has more rod cells which aid in vision under dark conditions than the cone cells which aid the vision under bright light. This is regarding fishing cat. Now, fishing cat is listed as vulnerable species on the IUCN Red List since 2016, and they are primarily nocturnal, which is very good time for them for fishing, and gestation period lasts for 63 to 70 days.